We'll guide you through how to get a ChatGPT Plus subscription. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to chat.openai.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. You should see your account dashboard. Look for the Upgrade to Plus option, usually located on the sidebar or near your account settings. Click on that to proceed. You'll be taken to a page explaining the benefits of ChatGPT Plus, which include faster response times and priority access to new features. If this sounds good to you, click on the subscribe button. You'll then need to enter your payment information. Make sure you have your credit card or PayPal details ready. Enter the necessary information and confirm your purchase. After your payment is processed, your account will be upgraded to ChatGPT Plus. You might need to log out and log back in to see the changes reflected in your account. With your new subscription, you should notice improvements in performance and access to new features as they roll out. If at any point you wish to manage your subscription, you can do so by going back to your account settings. There, you'll find options to change your payment method or cancel the subscription if needed. Remember that the Plus subscription renews automatically, so keep that in mind when managing your budget. That's all it takes to enjoy a more enhanced ChatGPT experience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.